is killing me, and I think it would be better with just one person.
You could probably change it in the options, dude.
Oh, yeah. Man, I wish that was my job. Dying. I'd be good at that.
Here, well, maybe you could start. Change the options. Does it work now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
What? No. Oh, no. Try to strafe. Whenever I strafe, I pull out the guns. What's with this controller?
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait,
See, I'm
what's the
strafing right now. It's R2.
Oh, that's weird. Are you holding, like... You might be holding L2 because it's like a trigger button. Now strafe without holding that.
How do you strafe that? Oh, strafe is on and off?
No, like, strafing is just...
No, that's right. This game, you don't need to hold a button to strafe. You just automatically do it. Like...
Oh, God.
What?
Oh. Oh, you can't walk in first person.
No, why would you need to walk in first person? This is a third-person game.
Wait, do we use the teleporter?
Of course we use the teleporter. I was just figuring out the controls.
Apparently I didn't need you.
No, this is a single-player game. The co-op is making me like it less just because I'm terrible at it. Especially with those
So wait,
screens.
you're obviously Clank, but in the cutscenes it's the same thing as like the single player.
No, I'm not going to be Clank after this.
Oh.
Because we're going to get these awesome robots that are called like Bing Bang and Ting Tang or something like that. I don't know what they're called. All I know is they're awesome robots and they have some pretty good humor. But I'm probably going to kill that. Yeah, see, now I'm Clank.
Welcome, hero, to your new living quarters. Your luxury containment
I thought I had the awesome rocket
everything
boots.
you will need as a contestant on
If you double tap, I think one of the triggers, you engage rocket
You'll
boots.
most likely be spending the rest of
Mini
your life.
map. Oh, if you want to get some... Fuck yeah, coins, man. No. No, coins. Oh, I must be retarded.
I was about to ask what Ratchet was. I realized he's just like an alien creature.
He's a fucking Lombax, yo.
I mean, what's all the hardware for?
Lombax.
Yeah.
The Lombax.
So Ratchet's the space cat, not that one Zerdberg's
So
animal.
what's-his-face figured he'd save
That's
a
just
few
like
balls and make
Space
you
Glob.
Space Club.
All right, fresh meat.
Let's make a cover of Bread Fan, but it's gonna be Space Glob instead of us saying Bread Fan.
Obvious, man. From the way he's fighting,
You have an obsession with that Metallica song.
move it.
It's a good song. No one else likes Garage. That's a great album.
Garage Inc. is not a bad album, I'm not lying.
My brother thought that was a live album. I was talking to him about Metallica. I'm like, hey, like, what's your favorite album? He's like, Master of Puppets. I'm like, okay, yeah, sure, why not? It's a great album. And I'm like, okay, mine's like Garage. And he's like, I think that's live. And I'm like, no, don't think it is. Don't think it is, bro. So, now I won't listen to Bread Fan, and I love Bread Fan, so the only time I can vent about Bread Fan is when he's not around.
Hero or heroine.
Bread
Thank you for
Fan.
choosing Fox Airways for your traveling needs. We do hope you have a pleasant flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our in-flight entertainment, courtesy of the Vox Network.
It's funny because the logo looks exactly like his helmet and no one else's, so it's like it was made for him. And he's gonna become a hero and save people.
Will you lose your lunch if you have to watch one more reality dating show? Is your blog's gone wild, video scratched from overuse? Then it's time to turn that
Still
dial
translates
to
well.
something a little
9 years
more
later.
Dangerous. Time for some real action. It's time to blow it up! That's right.
Wow.
I fucking love this game, man.
Number one uncensored, unethical, and
It's time to blow shit up!
combat sport. Blasting straight at you.
Why doesn't this exist in real life?
I don't know. It's like platforms where people probably will die. Totally worth it.
Exactly.
Get sweet ass guns.
Take on Ace Hardlight and the Exterminators. They save the galaxy
Ace
3
Hardlight.
times, but how
Wow, not hardware. Okay.
Way to subtlety.
Yeah.
Not much of it.
So if you beat the game 4 times, you get all of the boss's cards.
And what does it do?
It just gives you a card. It's like you get a card on your actual account, not account like save.
Do you get to play as them? Or no.
No, I mean, it might do something in multiplayer because I was a faggot without any friends. So it's like, yeah.
Wait, does... No, okay, I was gonna say, Going Commando doesn't have online, but I know Up Your Arsenal does.
I don't know if that's online or if it's just like couch co-op versus.
No, because I used to play Up Your Arsenal online all the time.
You did?
Yeah.
Was I the only one to never play online games or never online Ratchet? Because people are like on Reddit like, oh man, this is a great co-op game, like great versus game. Like, oh really? Like I played this game probably more than anyone else, and I didn't even go online. Oh, I forgot there's ammo. Just like used to. So oh god damn it! I thought that was a platform.
Yeah, I know.
If the graphics were any more intense, I would probably make this into a Michael Bay movie, but the humor is just too good to make it a Michael Bay movie.
Well, I don't know.
Fucking dicks, man.
Jeez, okay.
Are you having fun there?
Yeah, I am.
With me struggling on small things like platforms?
Like, I'm getting my Ratchet and Clank skill back.
I never lost it, bro. I'm always this bad.
Oh my god.
No, seriously, I'm not good at Ratchet and Clank. I've played the living crap out of it, but I'm not good at it. We have to go across because they made a platform. Favorite enemies ever. One hit, no matter what bullet. I don't know why I'm using the shotgun.
I'm gonna say.
Oh god. I try to switch my weapon and I just get annihilated. Don't die, bro. Right, cool.
I did.
Just made it. No, that one. Yeah.
No, you got it. I missed the sound.
Yes, platforms and a half screen like 10-inch.
Stews.
Just to let anyone know, I would not be good if it was 1,000 feet. I still can't platform.
Jesus. Okay. Oh, that thing's going to kill us.
Yeah, you need to use the electromagnetic impulse.
Excuse you?
Electromagnetic impulse. Yo, yo, yo. It's my dealio. I used it because I'm the second player. So, like, you know how sometimes you want these robots to spin stuff or shoot EMPs?
Yeah.
Electromagnetic pulse, not impulse. Wow, I'm fucking dumb. Yeah, if you ever want people to do that, that's my job now. Like, that's what I'm here for.
That's what you're here for.
That's it. Like, this didn't need co-op, but I'm really glad that they have it. Oh, yes. The planets on this are so awesome because you can revisit them with new challenges. It's like the same area but better. It's like it keeps on changing. There's like 10 planets and like 4 bosses, I think. But god damn, if this game isn't replayable, shit.
Okay, shoot.
Would you like to buy an Ace Hardlight video game? How about an Ace Hardlight lunchbox?